Wet Honey. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're brand new, welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I got this colorful makeup look. I call this like a sunset makeup look. It has been long awaited, requested. I posted a picture on my Instagram, which by the way, if you are not following me on my Instagram, I will leave it right here or somewhere on the screen. So definitely check my page out. But I posted a picture up on my Instagram and I got so many messages complimenting the look and asking me to film it for you guys. So if you are interested in how I achieved this makeup look right here, then just stay tuned. Really quick. Let me just say, if you've ever struggled or if you're currently struggling with dry skin and that your contour doesn't blend out well, or it's like muddy, or your skin is just like, if your skin is not cooperating, if you have dry skin, even if you have oily skin, I have very oily skin. Let me just tell you, this has changed the game. The Ula or Ol, I've heard videos on how to pronounce this, and he says his name is Ula Henriksen. So we're gonna go with Ula. Ula Henriksen, the C-Brush Brightening Gel Cream. You guys, I am so happy that I got my hands on this. I put some of this on my skin before doing my makeup, and the products just glide on. So smooth. My contour blends it out so nice. You guys are gonna see my under eye concealer, everything. So I highly recommend that you grab this product. It's a little bit pricey. It's $44, but you guys, it's so worth it. There's so much product in here, and you honestly only need just a tiny little bit. It smells like an orange creamsicle. But anyways, so we are gonna get started. I'm gonna stop rambling. Anything else you guys want to see, please leave down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Hey everyone, I'm starting with my eyebrows already done. I do have a video on how I fill them in down below. I highly suggest that you guys do your eye makeup first if you are attempting this look, because there will be fallouts. I prime my eyelids with concealer and then I set lightly with translucent powder. Afterwards, I'm jumping straight into the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette, and I love this palette. It is so pretty. I'm placing the yellow shade a little bit above my crease. Don't forget to tap off for excess, and do not go high up to your eyebrow. This eye look is like a gradient rainbow effect. So we're placing the lightest shade a little bit above the crease, and then we're working our way down to the most vibrant and bright shade. Fair warning, it's a lot of blending and a lot of back and forth with the placement of the colors. I am switching up my brushes with each color while I go, as well as decreasing their size. This way the placement of each color is neat and clean, and I'm moving deeper into my eyes with each color. Yellow is the highest, orange in the crease, the hot pink and purple a bit below, and then my reds in the lower outer V. You will see I keep going back and forth with the yellow shade. This way I don't lose that color with all the blending. It's important that each color peeks out. Also, I am grabbing my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette because I needed a deeper red and an orange to intensify the look and give it that sunset effect. Make sure you have a clean, fluffy blending brush while you do any colorful look to blend everything seamlessly together. Also, a tip to make that lid color pop, I am using a glitter glue and patting it with my finger, but you can use Fix Plus or just wet the shade. Next, this MAC brush is a must with any look. It's flat and it places the color perfectly with no harsh edges. And remember, pat the shade down to intensify it, do not swipe. This blue is the last and final eyeshadow color I'm going to be incorporating in this look. It just deepens and intensifies the whole look. And you see why I said you should do this on a bare face? You must wipe off all of that fallouts. And don't forget to do your bottom lash line. Remember, what you did to the top, you should do to the bottom. I know, it looks like a hot mess right now, but I promise you it will all turn out just fine in the end. This NYC liquid liner is my holy grail. I have been using this stuff for years. I'm talking high school days. Now, I'm so sorry that this isn't such a good angle. I did try my best to film myself doing this wing liner, but if you do want a separate tutorial on how I wing my liner, please give this video a thumbs up and I'd be more than happy to film that for you guys. Imagine I blended this quick. I wish. Lately, I've been gravitating more towards using brushes instead of a beauty sponge. What do you prefer using? Comment down below. I don't know, I have phases with my beauty blender. I like a more full coverage look, and by using brushes is the way I can really achieve that. Yes, my absolute favorite part of makeup is showering in Fix Plus. It feels so refreshing. This is the key to making that highlight pop. You do not want to apply your highlight prior to your setting spray because it will look crunchy, dry, and ashy, and you are going to have to reapply it. So try this the next time you do your makeup. Selfie time on Snapchat when the makeup is done. You know how that goes with all the filters. I had so much fun filming this look. I encourage all of you to step out of your comfort zone, play with some color. After all, you can wipe it off. Thank you for watching. If you aren't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and I will see you all in my next one. With the lip, I did a nude lip because my eyes are very colorful, very bright. I have a lot going on, so I didn't want to put on a colorful lip, but you can most definitely put on a colorful lip if you want to be extra bold. And or also, if you do this nude lip, you can add a gloss on top, so it doesn't matter. You can wear a matte lip or a glossy lip, whatever you're in the mood for. I'm obsessed with my nails, by the way. Obsessed. This is a gel color. My lighting kind of throws it off, but it's really like neon. Look, I just lowered my lighting, so it's like a neon yellow. But anyways, this video is not about my nails.